Hi everyone! So it has been a very hectic summer, but I thought that I would just come on and make my July Ipsy unboxing video. And for those of you that don't know, Ipsy is an online subscription. Customize or personalize a bag for you of different types of beauty products, makeup, skincare, hair care, based on your personal preferences, your skin color, your eye color, your hair color, things like that. So this month bag that I got looks like this. It's got the teal zipper, and the theme this month is Summer Lovin'. It says, "We'll have whatever they're having. Welcome back, summer. We've missed you." My products this month, let's see. I got a vanilla coconut cream Jersey Shore Sun lip conditioner, anti-aging lip conditioner, so basically a lip balm that smells exactly like you would expect it to, vanilla coconut cream. I also got a Jarrell Parker Classico perfume sample. It smells very good. It's in a roller bottle, so that'll be nice to pop in the suitcase when I'm traveling. I've done a lot of traveling this summer. I got a pair of crown brush tweezers. Who couldn't use some new tweezers? Oh my word, what is happening right now? A New York quad eyeshadow, and looks like the colors are very neutral and beautiful. They're pretty satiny. Very good, beautiful neutral colors. And from Tarte, I got the Park Avenue Princess, a waterproof bronzer. And I'm pretty excited about that. I've always kind of wanted to try some of the Amazonian clay bronzers. And again, for $10 a month, I feel like I definitely got my money's worth. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And also feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.